Your iPhone screen can appear on your Samsung TV in just a few minutes, but one wrong setting can stop the connection completely. In this video, I will show you the easiest working methods to screen mirror your iPhone to a Samsung TV, plus simple fixes if it is not working. We'll cover wireless AirPlay, app-based methods, and wired connection options. First, check if your Samsung TV supports AirPlay. Most Samsung smart TVs from 2018 or later support Apple AirPlay too. If your TV supports it, this will be the easiest way to mirror your iPhone screen. Next, make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Your iPhone and Samsung TV need to be on the exact same Wi-Fi connection. If they are connected to different networks, your TV may not appear on the iPhone. After that, turn on AirPlay on the Samsung TV. Open TV settings, then go to General or Connections. Find Apple AirPlay settings and make sure AirPlay is turned on. Now start screen mirroring from your iPhone. Open the control center on your iPhone, then tap screen mirroring. Select your Samsung TV from the list. If a code appears on the TV screen, enter that code on your iPhone. If your Samsung TV does not show up, check the Wi-Fi connection again and make sure both devices are still on the same network. Restart your iPhone and restart the Samsung TV. Also check that AirPlay is still enabled in the TV settings. If mirroring connects but keeps disconnecting, move closer to your Wi-Fi router for a better connection. Then restart both devices and try connecting again. If you only want to play videos, use app casting instead of full screen mirroring. Open apps like YouTube, tap the cast or AirPlay icon inside the app, then select your Samsung TV. This is a good option when you only need video playback. If AirPlay does not work, you can use third-party mirroring apps. Options include AirBeamTV, SmartThings, and ApowerMirror. Install the app on your phone or TV if needed, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi, then follow the app instructions. If wireless methods fail, use a wired connection. Use a Lightning to HDMI adapter for older iPhones or a USB-C to HDMI cable for newer iPhones. Connect it to the TV HDMI port, then change the TV source to HDMI. You should also check for TV software updates, open Samsung TV settings, look for software updates, and install any available update. When you are finished mirroring, open the iPhone control center again, tap screen mirroring, then tap stop mirroring. That's it for this video on how to screen mirror your iPhone to a Samsung TV. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you connect your devices and fix any mirroring problems. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have any questions or did one of these methods work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.